Mike with Atlas Rim Repair here. Going to be working on a Porsche this morning. Black wheels. You can see the curb rash from here to here. And it has been, the damage has been painted over. We're going to take all the damage out and repair it right. Which brings up, I'm working on a kit for DIY wheel repair. That'll be linked in the comments or in the description shortly. Something like this would probably be a good candidate for it. This isn't too bad. It's just this section of the rim, so it's not a ton of it. While I'm getting set up, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, I'll get working on this in just a minute. I'm going to grind the damage out first with the red conditioning disc, and then we'll sand it up and get it ready for paint. This one shouldn't take very long. Alright, so we got all the curb rash out. Now I'm going to switch over to the sander with the 320 grit. And we'll reshape the wheel and get the grinder marks out of this and get it ready for paint. I'm going to put a fresh 320 grit on here. Everything I use is linked in the description below. Alright, so this spoke, it does stick up past this, so just want to be real careful in here. I just have to get this touch-up paint residue off. That'll scuff off with the scuff pad. Alright, 1500 grit scuff pad here. We just need to scuff everywhere that's just been sanded. Get the rest of this residue off. We'll clean the wheel. Then I'm going to spray the black base coat cover that with clear coat. And then we'll blend in our edges with the clear coat blender.